In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a PDF searchable using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Many of us have faced the frustration of having a scanned document that's not searchable. The good news is that with Adobe Acrobat Pro, you don't have to manually sift through your documents anymore. Let's dive into the steps that will transform your scanned files into easily searchable texts. First, open your scanned PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you're not familiar with this, simply launch Acrobat, then go to File and click Open to select your PDF. Once your document is up, take a look at the right pane of your screen. You'll find a wide array of task-specific tools there, but what we're interested in is the Scan and OCR option. You can also find this under the Tools tab if you can't see it immediately. Click on Scan and OCR. This tool is your gateway to making the document searchable. Next, you'll be presented with several options. Here, you need to choose Recognize Text and then select In this file. By doing this, you are instructing Acrobat to analyze the current document and apply optical character recognition, or OCR, to make the text in the scanned pages selectable and searchable. However, before you proceed with recognizing the text, you might want to click on Settings. This step is optional, but recommended because it lets you customize the OCR process. In the settings, you can specify the language of the text in your document, which can enhance accuracy. You can also decide on the output style. Searchable image or searchable image exact might be your choices, depending on whether you want to retain the exact look of the scanned document. And don't forget about the page range. If you're working with a lengthy document and only need sections to be searchable, this is where you can designate those specific pages. Once you have configured your settings to your satisfaction, click Recognize Text to commence the OCR process. During this crucial stage, Adobe will create a hidden text layer over every image. This layer is what allows all your text to become both searchable and selectable, drastically enhancing the utility and accessibility of your document. When the OCR process is completed, the final step is to save your newly transformed document. Go to File and select Save As. By doing this, you ensure that the searchable text layer you just created will be saved along with your document. And there you have it. With these steps, your once static scanned PDF is now a dynamic, searchable document thanks to the power of OCR in Adobe Acrobat Pro.